Aerodrome Finance is a very hyped project, but will we see even higher prices in the near future? In this video I will talk about AERO and share my price prediction for the long and for the short term. So let's go straight into the content. AERO has right the price of $1.65 and a market cap of $265 million. The coin is existent since 2024 and we saw the latest all-time high a few days ago. It's a trading and liquidity marketplace on Base. Many people are comparing AERO to Uniswap, so you can swap tokens on AERO and you can also use liquidity providers to make some money. And from day to day more and more people are using this platform. And here on the top you can find the swap and the liquidity tools. And if we have a look at the daily chart, you can see that we are clearly in a bullish trend. We are consistently making higher highs and we are also building higher lows. So of course this is a really bullish sign, especially if you have a coin published in 2024 and if we are seeing directly this bullish push to the upside. So first of all, of course, the chances high that we can continue this bullish momentum on the short term. But also on the long term, I think this project has a very high potential, because if we would compare the market cap of AERO right now to the market cap of Uniswap right now, we would then have a price target of $14.90 and a potential of 9x. And if we would compare the market cap right now of AERO to the all-time high of Uniswap, we would then have a price target of $54 and a potential of 33x. And I think this could be a potential bull run top, because I think AERO has a massive potential to see even higher prices. Of course, this would also be a nice price target of $14. And I think this is very realistic for this bull run. But if we would have the most bullish potential, then I think $54 are also realistic for the cycle. Especially if we have a look at the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, we have a lot of potential to the last all-time high. And I think the chances high that we are also breaking over the last all-time high and see even higher market caps for the whole crypto market, especially with the now completed halving and the Bitcoin spot ETF, the chances high that much money will flow into the crypto market. And if just a small percentage flows into AERO, I think these potential price targets are realistic. And if you want to buy AERO, you can do this on BingX. BingX has a large variety of different cryptocurrencies, and if you're using my link, you get up to $5,150 bonus. You will find the link for BingX in the description. So I think AERO has a massive potential for the long term. And if we are now looking at the short term, you can see that we had this last swing right here from this low to this high. We made a higher high. And then we saw this retracement back into this zone. And right here we have this daily demand zone. And always if we are having a strong demand zone, the chances high if the price comes back to it and see a bullish reaction at the zone, that we then see even higher prices and continue the bullish trend to the upside. And if we are using the Fibonacci retracement tool, you can see that we have this massive reactions right here at the 0.786 Fibonacci. And if we are breaking out of the zone and also close above the 0.618 Fibonacci, then this is another indicator that we could see a bullish explosion just from this zone. And if we are going on the 4-hourly chart, you can also see that we had this bullish price action right here. Because after we saw this massive push to the upside, we then came back into this demand zone, built this wicks right here. And as I'm always telling you, over important highs and lows, we are having much liquidity. And if we are looking at this last low, you can see that we came under this low, but just with this wicks and the candle closed over this one. And as I'm always telling you, this is a very bullish sign that we took the liquidity and that the price then moves to the upside because we have much buying pressure. And this is another sign that we could see a bullish continuation just from the zone. And if we are breaking this last highs, then we would see a bullish breakout out of this accumulation phase. So if we are now going out of the zone and see a daily or 4-hourly candle close over this last highs, then the chance is extremely high that we could see the bullish momentum. And for calculating some potential price targets, we are using the Fibonacci tool. And as you can see from this swing, we already reached the first take profit at the 1.618 Fibonacci. And then the next bullish price target would be the 2.618 Fibonacci at $3.03. And then we would have a price target of $3.68. And from the prices right now to this last high, we would have potential over 44%. If we would reach the second price target, we would have potential of 83%. And if we would reach the last potential price target, we would have potential over 120%. And I think the chance is really high that we could see these prices in the near future. So if AERO starts to push to the upside, we see a bullish explosion, and I think that we could see this massive price increases in the near future. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like AERO, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all, I think AERO is a great project with a very high potential. This coin is just existent since 2024 and we just have this low market cap of $265 million. I think a potential price target of $54 is very realistic for the top of this bull run. So I think a 33x is very realistic. But of course we just have to increase in price, and this would also be a really nice price target for this bull run. So for the long term I'm bullish, and if we are looking at the short term, you can see that we are in a bullish trend and the chance is very high that we also can continue this bullish trend to the upside. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.